Hi everyone, this is Chilla with Moldex3D. Welcome to today's webinar about level up your simulation accuracy by a deeper understanding on fiber orientation. Today we have here with us Adrian van Roosmalen, scientist at Xnovo Technology, Azad Sliamov, senior scientist at Xnovo Technology, and Larry Wren, regional manager at Moldex3D. Adrian van Roosmalen graduated from the Technical University of Denmark and holds a master's degree in physics. He joined Xnovo Tech in 2022 as a scientist working with X-ray imaging of fiber-reinforced composites. Adrian has played a key role in developing solutions for efficiently measure the fiber orientation and the automation suite that utilizes the Moldex3D API to optimize fiber simulation parameters. He is responsible for the X-ray measurements and reporting for fiber measurement services. Azad Sliamov is a senior scientist at Xnovo Technology, specializing in advanced X-ray microscopy and material characterization. Azad and his colleagues at Xnovo Technology are actively involved in industry collaborations, such as with Cortex System, to integrate Xnovo's 3D fiber imaging solutions into Moldex3D simulations. This partnership combines the expertise of both companies, enhancing the accuracy of simulations used in high-precision manufacturing, particularly for predicting mechanical strength and controlling molding defects in fiber-reinforced components. Larry Wren graduated from the National Taiwan University and has a master's degree in engineering. He joined Moldex3D in 2008 and started as technical support in the world sales department. After a brief stint in the US office, he dedicated himself to the European market, where he grew up during childhood. Over the years, Larry handled various tasks such as the day-to-day technical questions, customer case studies, business development, channel partner relationship, and has been focused on the French-speaking countries, Benelux, and Scandinavia since 2023. Larry is nowadays based in the Netherlands.
So welcome to this webinar. We are very excited to show you and tell you about fiber orientations, their importance for injection molding applications and simulations, and what we can do in terms of improving simulation using advanced X-ray imaging measurements. So yes, let's dive into the topic itself. So this is an outline of the webinar. I will introduce Xnovo Technology, who we are and what we are doing. After that, my colleague Adrian will give more details on the methods for scanning and optimization of fiber model parameters. Larry will then take over to explain the importance of fiber orientation in injection molding and give more insight into the Moldex3D fiber orientation model itself. We will also give you real-world examples of the measurements and simulations. And in conclusion, we'll provide a quick summary and start a Q&A session to answer your questions.